I'm Wilson White. I'm a vice president for government affairs and public policy at Google, where I look after government affairs for both our platforms and devices business unit, as well as our government affairs and public policy operations for the Asia Pacific region. My time at NC State was truly formative. Just the opportunities, the experiences to do things like research and internships, it really pushed me beyond my then existing limits. It allowed me to see possibilities that I didn't see previously, and really opened my eyes to opportunities. It was also a time of great challenge, right? The professors really pushed us in a very rigorous academic environment. And I think that really helped fortify a strong work ethic in me, which I've carried in my career since then. But also the relationships that I've had here, both my professors, but also my peers. Those diverse perspectives, I think, truly prepared me for a global career. And so NC State, I think if you add that combination of things, has been truly a foundation for everything that I've done since. I'm deeply honored to be inducted into the ECE Hall of Fame. I think it's a recognition of the great opportunities and experiences that I had at NC State and what NC State provides for students who study in the ECE program, but particularly for someone like me who has built a career in non-engineering fields, right, in law and in now government affairs and public policy, but have that background in engineering that I received here through the ECE department. So to be recognized in this way, I'm deeply honored. Yeah, I think the biggest benefit for me from the ECE program is the set of problem-solving tools that you get studying engineering here at NC State. As I mentioned, it's a very rigorous program, but the true value that you get from that is how to collaborate with others to solve difficult challenges. And that, to me, has been, I think, the most useful foundation for my career ever since, whether it's in law, whether it's working at a big technology company like Google and solving complex government affairs and public policy challenges. It's all rooted in that ability to think critically, to ask difficult questions, and to really get your arms around solving big problems in concert with others. So I was a Park Scholar at NC State. I'm in the class of 2003 Park Scholars, and it was a very formative program for me during my time at NC State. And as such, I've been very involved with the program since graduating from NC State, including recently establishing an endowment for Park Scholars who are really focused on STEM disciplines and solving big societal challenges. So I had the honor of meeting with a few current students a few hours ago before coming here. And the future is bright, very bright, from what I can tell from the current students we have at NC State. And my advice to current or prospective students would be to take full advantage of your opportunity at NC State. Embrace the challenges and seek out opportunities to do things like research and internships and co-ops. And don't be afraid to get outside of your comfort zone and to explore new ideas and new areas of interest, and build deep and strong relationships with your professors, with your peers, because that truly is the foundation of a very productive career. And it's those values that I think you'll take with you in whatever you decide to do after NC State. Well, look, as I said, I'm very deeply honored to be inducted into the ECE Hall of Fame. I personally want to thank professors who have been strong mentors of mine during my time here at NC State. Professor Windsor Alexander, who gave me a research opportunity as a freshman, Dr. Tony Mitchell, Dr. Tracy Ray, all of who poured into me as I was a student here. And I know my career would not have been possible without those faculty and staff. I look forward to meeting the other inductees today, and go Pack.